Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Lee, and Melissa's off camera.
Hi.
She is helping us by being me, make a dog ramp for the end of the bed. Now ideally, I should have brought you in sooner in this process, but I wasn't thinking, so this is where I'm at. Quick tutorial of where we stand now. So we have just a little bit of a ramp. We have the two boards coming down. We've cut angles on both ends to make it a little bit user-friendly. We got the pieces in the back, pieces on the bottom. Put in our support. And we have a dog bed. Well, technically a dog ramp. We have a dog ramp. It's missing one little vital thing. Now we are hoping to make this like a little cat cubby hole possibly. I don't know if that's going to work out or not, so that's still in the mix. But we do have to cover the top of this and get it ready. So we're going to bring you along for the rest of the process. Did you catch all that? You up to date? You good to go? Good. Now I got to turn Melissa's fan back on.
Thanks.
If I'm honest, you really didn't want to see any of the cuts on that because we cut it like 5 times.
Yeah.
Because I couldn't measure. Not that you've ever seen me not measure something right in a video.
It's perfect now.
It's perfect.
There's no imperfections at all.
No imperfections at all. Please don't look that close. Okay guys, we've cut our piece for the top and we've got it clamped in place where we need it. So now all we need to do is nail it down. So just to give it a little bit more of a cleaner finished look, we've put a little front facer plate on the front. And we've also put a little front facer plate on the top here. Now all these will be covered with carpet, but it's just a little extra security to it. Make it a little more user-friendly. Yeah, so we have to reinforce it. I see you grabbing my good board I grabbed. It's a project board, damn it! Not for this project! And then my next question is there even enough to do both sides?
You don't need to do both sides.
Oh, I don't know that.
Put it up against the bed.
That's true. Yeah, I hear you.
Sturdy.
But I had that board for something else, damn it.
What did you have it for?
Another project.
Well, you have to get another one now.
So she wants me to use my board I have for another project.
You still saw this, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Okay. Well, we can take this down. Leave it there.
probably actually just scroll solid. Or, not scroll solid, dig solid.
That's what I meant. I said the wrong kind of saw because I don't know the answers to these things.
Yeah. This amateur over here is gonna be using my board that I bought for another project. For this project, which I didn't plan on. Now I gotta go buy another $3 board.
And you'll have to go to Home Depot again.
Have to go Home
Damn
Depot again.
it.
It's not fair. Okay guys, Melissa's sanding down our side piece. It's gonna go on, and then we're actually gonna make a design in it so the cats can hopefully get in and out of it and have a super secret hidey hole. Let's see what it looks like though first, see if we can even do that. Like a piece of cheese! Thankfully, dear Melissa did all the sanding of the hose because I do hate to sand. Making me use more of my board! Does it work? Does it work? Does it work? Okay guys, so we got the side piece on as you saw earlier. Now we got the top piece here that we're gonna fix, which is just a little extra lip. This is just going to give them a little bit of extra space at the top in case they want to turn around or anything, need that extra little bit. It's also going to be a great little catch you at the knee, take you out kind of thing. So.
Put that on J1's side of the bed.
Oh yeah, definitely going on Boof's side of the bed. Definitely.
She's always saying how she's younger than us. We're old ladies, so we'll handicap her.
We're gonna handicap her. Okay guys, we got the little trim pieces on. This carpet's just laying there, but I really do think it's gonna fit beautifully. You can see it's like a perfect fit, which we planned on. And although it's not affixed yet, because I have to paint the inside of the board to make it look right.
Painting our cheese green because it's a little moldy. Yeah, buddies.
Okay guys, so we're putting the carpet on, and the first piece went on very, very easy. It simply just slid right into our track and I just nailed it down. So Melissa had these strips of carpet she had picked up at a refab store that she was nice enough to let us borrow, well, in this case, give us to use for this application. So next step I need to do is get this piece cut and in place, and then get a piece on the very, very top that you see in the background. For those of you that don't know, that's a super secret hidey ho right there. Super secret hidey ho. Right there. Oh, somebody likes their super secret hidey ho. Yeah. Well, thank a hoy. Okay guys, I feel like it turned out to be a great success. I think the dogs will learn to use it. That's just something new for them right now. The cats obviously love it. And I love that it has a dual purpose. It's a cat hidey ho play thing. And for the dogs, it's a ramp to get in the bed. So 2 thumbs up for me, or in this case, 4 paws. So I think we had a good success for some scrap wood that we had around the house. And to really not have a plan, I mean, it could have been better. Absolutely. But I feel like it turned out pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, it is a 2-step process, so please hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell notification. That's right next to it. Select all, and we'll let you know every time we post a new video, because let's be honest, we secretly know you can't wait for our next video to come out. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got any suggestions for us, please drop them down below in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas. But for right now, from us to you, toodles. Wasn't recording.
When?
I think all of that. Go to film. There's nothing like a cat kicking the cat litter. But it took this moment to use the restroom. Really? Really? Hold, please. I'm presently being attacked from one of the cubby hoes behind me, I will tell you that. I can feel little hands attacking me.